YouTube. Hey, what's good, YouTube? This is your boy Brother Rascal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another banger of the year. You understand? Yo, guys, do you even know the way Yandino Farah when my team is winning? Like, maybe more not as but the way Yandino Farah when my team is winning, yo. I just wanna say congratulations to Kim and Tanaka. I'm only happy about one thing, guys. Chino want you to differ. Chino chaita kuti vanhu vasafari Kim and Tanaka is because people were judging too much. People were saying ikapo yakaita zvekutizisana. That's why I hate this couple. That's why I like Ryan and Anders more than Kim and Tanaka. That's why I like Dian more than Kim and Tanaka. Vakaita zvinhu zvavo nemasvo. This and that. But you guys do even know kuti the people that you are comparing their family. Do you even know that? When I are busy comparing people. Yo, I'm very happy, guys. Congratulations to Kim and Tanaka, guys. Officially, Baba na Mai Munyonga. Kune wasukuziya ma-updates ari kuitika Kim and Tanaka Varoorana. Vabva kunobvisa. Anzi kutakazonorora. Go and check out the Instagram post. Go and check out my vlogs. They're coming soon. Yeah, I'm sure kune vaito suspect vaito nyungwa chona chenda ku Zimbabwe. Vaito zoti what's taking place, what's popping, you understand. So yeah, guys, let's go and check my vlog. If you are watching Amino, but today is 10 January. Today is what? Varoorana, I'm so 10. Today is 12. So which means that itika. But today, I'm not sure, guys. But yeah, what I know is like Varoorana, I'm so 10 January. Please go and check out their vlogs. I'm sure they're gonna drop vlogs soon to YouTube, you understand? So make sure you stay tuned. You like, comment, share, subscribe, make sure you understand. Don't go around us, guys. Don't go around us. I can't even speak Farah, guys. Yo, we winning this side, you understand? Next, Skim and Lloyd, Tanya and Dexter, we watching you guys. In Indiri Papa blog, I chat. Yo, this one I wanna write, you understand? So yeah, I bet guys, thank you for watching the video. Please till the end. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content, understand? More content loading. Go and check out YouTube Gwana Kim and Tanaka. Nice vlogs coming soon, you understand? Go and check out YouTube Gwana Dendolo. Also, ni Gwana Ryan and Aniesu. I think based on what function go. Go and check out. I love you guys. Road to 7,000 subscribers. Let's go. Let's get it.